Pina-recall ng Department of Health ang isang brand ng heparin na ginagamit ng National Kidney and Transplant Institute matapos mapatunayang kontaminado ito. Nakatutok si Mark Salazar.
Kontaminado ang heparin na ginamit ng National Kidney and Transplant Institute sa kanilang dialysis machines. Dahilan kung bakit nangatog ang 44 na pasyente noong huling linggo ng Mayo. Ito ang lumabas sa investigasyon ng Food and Drugs Administration.
We have withdrawn all of those. Lahat, hindi lang sa batch na yon or lot na yon. Lahat na they have already spread out in the Philippines have been withdrawn. And then we are going to do further studies and see how is the extent of the contamination.
Ang heparin ay isang sodium solution na ginagamit sa dialysis machine para hindi mamuo ang dugo ng pasyenteng dinadialysis. Sinabihan na ang manufacturer at distributors ng kontaminadong heparin brand.
We are looking into how we will proceed and discuss this kasi nga there is certainly a penalty that will be given to the manufacturer or to whether it's going to be the distributor. Pinaka-aralan natin yun.
Ayaw pang pangalanan ng DOH ang brand at manufacturer dahil binubuo pa raw ang investigasyon. Pero inaalam na rin ng DOH kung may iba pang nangatog ding kidney patient sa iba pang dialysis centers sa buong bansa bilang parte ng pag-imbestiga sa heparin brand na ito.
As a matter of fact, we are also looking into other medicines that itong manufacturer nito has, approved in the Philippines, but we have to double check also to make sure that it's not just down the heparin.
Simula nang buksan muli ng NKTI ang kanilang outpatient hemodialysis unit noong June 9, wala na raw silang nangatog na pasyente. Mark Salazar, nakatutok, 24 oras.